is chocolate meringues. This comes in 4 flavors: hazelnut, strawberry, and this is double chocolate, and they have vanilla as well. These I've seen all over the app, and we're gonna try it together. We're gonna rate it. These are meringues. 7 of these equals 30 calories. That's not bad. If you're on your journey and you're looking for a nice healthy treat, get these. This is how they look. Double chocolate. They melt in your mouth. And they got chocolate chips in it. It tastes really good. 10 out of 10. These are dangerous though. Be careful because you will eat a lot of these and they melt in your mouth. So be careful because they that good. Give them a try.